Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us on 2K Sports. NBA action is coming up. With David Aldridge on our sideline, and here with me, Greg Anthony and Steve Smith, this is Kevin Harlan. We've got the Detroit Pistons facing the New York Knicks. And so off the tip, it's New York. Johnson left side. Pass to Houston. Here's Sprewell. 4 on the shot clock. Got it. Good job in the low post.
Just the first good move in a game of chess between these two coaches.
Strategy is going to be a big part of the outcome tonight. We'll see which team dictates the style of play.
To the paint. Master Olynyk launches a 3. Harry Johnson grabs the miss. Here's Sprewell. And about a minute gone here in the first quarter.
You see how quickly Grant gets off the floor, sending that one back. Airmail.
Pass to Bay. For the 3. Gets the three-pointer to fall.
And they don't want to get in a habit of giving him open looks from 3. First quarter still, but not who you want to leave open.
Now here's Johnson. Here's Ewing. The rebound by Grant. And here's Grant. He'll bring it up for the Detroit Pistons. To the inside. Here's Olynyk. Here's Magruder. And another 3 for Detroit.
And with an excellent understanding of the game, Olynyk is able to find open teammates.
They've been struggling here on offense.
Yeah, a bit of a dry spell for sure.
Pass to Ward. A 3. It's going to be a 24-second shot clock violation. They turn it over. Now, here's Cunningham. Inside. Here's Olynyk. Nice pass. Led him to the rack perfectly for the layup.
Attacking the heart of that defense. I like this from Olynyk. Not just hanging out on the perimeter. A little undersized at the 4, but he can get off the ground.
Detroit leading by 4. Master Olynyk. And the dunk by Olynyk.
Yeah, he can surprise you around the rim. Olynyk has some lift.
Here's Ward. Here's Johnson. He's covered by Grant. And Grant sends it back.
2 minutes remaining in the first.
From downtown. And it's Magruder missing. Here's Sprewell. Pass to Ward. And the foul is called. He intentionally grabbed him there for some reason. I don't know.
Kevin, all I can think of is that he's trying to slow the game down a little bit.
Right.
That's a stretch, though. Definitely a strange move on his part.
Here's Houston. Clock at 6. New York needs to get off a shot. Here's Sprewell. And they force the shot clock violation. Great D.
Pistons substitution. Josh Jackson.
Just over 3.5 minutes gone here in the first. Jackson is doubled. Back to Joseph. Bay with it. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Launches it. Detroit, no good that time either. Knicks trail by 6. Here's Houston. Nothing yet on the scoreboard for him. Pass to Ewing. Here's Sprewell. He's defended by Bay. Here's Sprewell. Here's Houston. And there's the drive. First shot, first basket. He's out of the blocks fast. We've got 28 seconds left to play here in the first. Jackson in the corner. On the wing, Jackson. It's good from long range.
Jackson.
And how about that mentality by Jackson? Looking to shoot it as soon as that pass was delivered.
Here's Sprewell. And Grant sends it back. And they'll keep possession. And that's going to do it, son. Good defense down the stretch to end the quarter.
The Knicks.
And so is Detroit, bringing the quarter to a close with a 7-point.
All right, look who's coming onto the court. Come on and get fouled for your Knicks City Dancer.
And for those of you just tuning in, the second quarter of action is where we're at right now. And a look at how the offensive approach has been going here so far for Detroit.
They didn't need any time to warm up from long range today. Their three-point shooting has been terrific in the first half.
And the other thing, though, is their execution in terms of their ball movement has been flawless. Sets up a lot of easy scoring
3
opportunities.
points.
The assist totals, Kevin, just continue to grow. They're way ahead in that category. Ball movement has been flawless.
Over to the wing. Now Ewing. Still getting warmed up offensively. No scoring yet from him. Jackson has the open look. Back to Stewart. To the left wing. Pass to Grant. They shoot again. He takes it up and lays it in. Grant's got the lead up to 12 now for Detroit.
That's a nice physical play by Grant, pushing through the contact to get to his finish.
Here's Houston, guarded by Jackson. Fires the three. Houston can't get it to go. Pistons leading by 12. Pass to Grant. And the dunk by Grant.
A display of pure athleticism by Jeremy Grant, rising up for the huge dunk.
Houston shot's good.
Defensively, you have to tighten up on him or suffer the consequences.
New York foul. Larry Johnson. That's his first personal. First team foul.
And Detroit has possession.
In substitution.
Led by as many as 14 points.
Blocking foul called on. That's his first personal. Second team foul. Substitution on the court.
We're now about 2 minutes into the second quarter. Pass to Diallo. And here's Cunningham. He's been patient so far. Nothing on the scoreboard yet. 5 on the clock. Detroit, no good that time either. Let's go now to the sideline and catch up with David Aldridge.
Thank you, Kevin. Well, Sadiq Bey was the 19th pick in 2020 out of Villanova, and he made an immediate impact for the Pistons. Dwayne Casey said he's a coach's dream, adding he's made himself into one of the top three-point shooters of his class, a defender, and he's just scratching the surface. Guy's not bad for a rebuilding team.
You're right, they got a good one. Thanks.
For your New York Knicks, David Wingate.
Here in the second quarter, we've played a little over 2.5 minutes now. Here's Lyles. And the rebound goes to the Knicks.
Offensively, that's how you want to end the possession, except for the result.
Pass to Ward. They set the pick.
2 minutes remaining in the first
Now here's
half.
Dudley.
2 minutes.
Good on the shot, and that shaves the lead to single digits.
Trying to attack the heart of that defense with great teamwork.
Diallo with it. Here's Magruder. And a wide open look for Cunningham. Detroit, no good that time either. .131 left to play here in the second quarter. Here's Sprewell. From 7, back to Williams. Dudley's shot is good. Dudley's got 4 this quarter.
A tough start scoring the basketball, but they're starting to turn it around now.
.59 seconds left now here in the second. Pass to Cunningham.
Knicks foul. Charlie Ward. That's his first personal. 3rd team foul. Substitution for your Knicks.
To the middle.
Richard
Now
Johnson.
here's Cunningham. Shot clock at 6. To stop the drought. Shot good by Diallo. Diallo's got himself going with the triple, his first basket of the game.
You just can't afford to leave open shooters in this league. Everyone is practicing the 3.
Pass to Dudley. Got a piece of it. And he recovers it. Tries again. Rebounded by the Pistons. Over in the corner, Cunningham. Driving in. And it's out of bounds. The Knicks will take it the other way.
Now into the lineup for the Pistons.
Now here is Smith. And that would have counted, but his shot was off the mark this time.
The Knicks 13, the Pistons 23.
And so it's the Detroit Pistons going into... And happy you can join us. We've got 2 quarters left to go in regulation. So it's the Pistons now. They've led by as many as 14 points. Pass to Olynyk. Grant outside. No good from outside. Knicks trail by 10. Pick off in midair. Right wing. Nice ball movement by Detroit. To the left side wing. Bay wide open, and he fires. No good with the triple. Well, with the basket here, they could get back to within single digits. Here is Wingate. He takes it in. Misses from close range. Here's Grant. And the bucket is good. 3-point play chance here for him.
Williams.
Good touch from Jeremy Grant, able to get himself inside and get the job done.
The Knicks making a switch here. And he'll be shooting his first free throw of the game here.
Wound up shooting 85 from the line a season ago, which is an exceptional percentage.
Here's Ward. Still looking for his first bucket in this one. To the wing on the left. Here's Houston. And a lot of contact on that one, so he'll shoot 2 here.
And Houston, a pro at initiating the contact, an aggressive shooter who's looking for opportunities to get to the line.
Allen Houston.
Wow, what, did he have something in his eye on that shot?
Maybe.
And that's a rare missed opportunity from him. He'd been good as gold up until that point.
Pass to Magruder. Out to the right wing. Money from the wing. Magruder's got 5.
Remember, he played the point guard position for most of high school, so Olynyk has retained that vision.
Here's Ward. And the shot no good, a bit short. Pistons leading by 15. And it's Magruder in the corner. And the 3 off target. And so here is New York. They're scoreless since the first half. And it goes down 2 points.
Talented, driven. He puts constant pressure on your defense.
Now here's Cunningham. Grant, right side. Here's Bay. Sinks the triple.
Saddiq Bey.
He's got 6.
3-point goal.
A jack of all trades, Jeremy Grant also has a strong feel for when his guys are uncovered.
Here's Johnson. And Grant sends it back. And it's Magruder in the corner. Pass to Olynyk. And the dunk by Olynyk.
One sign of a great playmaker, hitting his man in stride.
Here's Ward. And Grant sends it back. Down low. Here's Houston. Six on the shot clock. Back to Johnson. Fires for 3. Here's Ewing. Well, it was only a matter of time, but they finally get the bucket. Ewing's got his first basket.
And Ewing, with that size, really creates a tough matchup, especially when he's attacking the offensive board.
Saddiq Bey.
Drills it from outside.
Oh, great ball movement there.
Out to the right wing. Pass to Ewing. To the paint. Here's Ward. The 8-footer. No good there. Now the Pistons take it the other way.